Hi there! If your TikTok account got permanently banned and you have no idea what to do, then you're in the right place. In this video, I will guide you on how you can appeal for a permanently banned TikTok account. Now, to contest the ban on your TikTok account, start up by opening the notification they sent you. And once you've got that open, give the appeal button a tap. Now, TikTok will walk you through the appeal process with some instruction. Just follow what they say, take your time, and share any info that can help your case. It's like having a conversation with TikTok, letting them know that you think there might be a mistake. So, open the notification, hit appeal, and just go with the flow of the instructions. Just a little tip. When submitting an appeal, it's essential to communicate why you think the ban is a mistake. You should provide any relevant details that might help TikTok understand your situation better. Now, if there has been a misunderstanding or if you unintentionally violated any rules, be sure to mention that as well. By expressing your case clearly and concisely, you give TikTok the opportunity to review your appeal and hopefully rectify any misunderstandings. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more helpful guides and insightful content in the future.